안 들어요. Don't show carousel early place. It's a leaking oil, so place leaking oil, so place install brand new shocks. Already installed 340mm screw and 19mm. Okay, install both sides already. Brand new shock assembly, much quicker. Installed already.